Hi there, students. Moth-eaten, moth-eaten, an adjective. Okay, if something is moth-eaten, it's been eaten by moths. Okay, a moth looks like a butterfly, but it lives at night. And moths, they tend to lay their eggs in clothing, and these eat clothes. So my jersey is moth-eaten. These are moth-eaten. This is definitely moth-eaten. Yeah, but we use this word metaphorically. If we call something old, something moth-eaten, it's old. It has holes in it. It's not in good condition. Yeah, so, well, this moth-eaten jersey was at the back of the wardrobe, but you can use this metaphorically. Old, time-worn, so, I don't know, rather shabby, rather decrepit, yeah? He always tells the same old moth-eaten jokes, yeah? They are old and in poor condition, yeah? We went to this zoo and it was a very moth-eaten place. It was shabby, it was in bad condition, it was old, it was threadbare, it was scruffy and worn out. Yeah, the school looked rather moth-eaten. Okay, so if you describe something as moth-eaten, it's unattractive because it's been old, because it's been used too much. So the southern part of the city is rather moth-eaten. Yeah, the government is trying to use the same old moth-eaten strategy again and again. Yeah, so outdated, decrepit. Yeah, not very good. So something can be visually moth-eaten. Yeah, the decoration in the restaurant looked rather moth-eaten, poor, dirty, shabby, old. Or then you can even use it more metaphorically to talk about something that's out of fashion, it's antiquated. So the moth-eaten views of this political group need to change, because otherwise they're just going to die out. Yeah. Okay, these moth-eaten ideas are, well, just so old-fashioned. They're not something that are used. He told the same old moth-eaten jokes again and again and again. Yeah, they were stale, unoriginal. Yeah, shabby, worn out, rather seedy. Yeah. Okay, so moth-eaten as an adjective. Yeah. Uh, I woke up this morning and I had a terrible hangover and I felt rather moth-eaten. Yeah, tired, old, not fresh. Yeah, antiquated. Okay, so formality. I think I'm probably going to give this a 4.5 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, use it in a semi-formal conversation, use it in a semi-formal writing, but no more. Don't use it very formally. And then moth-eaten is literally eaten by moths. Yeah, and moth, okay, is like this nocturnal butterfly, and this word actually comes from Proto-Germanic mupo, muta, meaning a moth or a worm, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European mut, meaning a worm. Okay, so moth-eaten, boring old ideas. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Moth-eaten. Yeah, full of holes.